And for today's vlog, we're going to Mount Pinatubo.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Bye.
Para bang ang nakikita ko ngayon? Hello. Hati kayo. Oh. Hati kayo ha. Hello naman kami.
Sarap yata yan sa crater.
Masarap sa crater.
Chocolate.
Princess! Oh, gago. Ito ba to guys? We made it.
Eh nahulog.
Malapit na po. Oy, mga... Good morning guys. Outfit check. Morning! Pinakita ko lang sa inyo talaga. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. At sa mga nanonood na puyat dyan, matulog-tulog kayo ha, baka umiwalay ang kaluluwa ninyo. This is John Repeat Pangilinan, 26, and living here independently in the Philippines. And for today's vlog, we're going to Mount Pinatubo, Tumalo. Medyo excited lang ako guys. It's been a while since I travel, and you all know the hype whenever we do travel. It just excites you, and hopefully kayo din, you do this guys because it's really an experience in life. Don't contain yourselves in just work and all the responsibilities if you can. Today we're going to share this experience with some familiar faces. Right now, I'm ready with one of them. Good morning po, sir.
Hey guys, ako na naman to.
How's your hostel stay po?
I-rate natin siya 4.5 out of 5. Kinabahan ko. Akala mo ate.
Oo nga. Dating na yung ano namin, yung point-to-point driver namin. Binook namin to actually. Basically, we're going to have a hard time conversing with him. Ito na yung habal namin, guys.
Yan ba?
We booked this on Klook. Sir, thank you po for coming, sir.
Are you Filipino?
Yes, sir.
Filipino all?
Where can we put our luggage, sir? On the back?
Yeah, back. Wow,
Back.
sexy.
What the hell? The hell? Good morning, Peng. Good morning.
Hello.
You're back.
Again. I'm back with the leg.
Wait, it's not Peng, it's Jimiel. Hey, Jimiel. You look so different. Yeah, giving you a time check. 3:32. Can you see that? So we are bound to Tarlac kasi dun yung ano namin, pinik namin na drop-off point. Normally meron dyan MOA. The sun is not up but it's here. Our package tour is executive and meron mga drone shots, free breakfast, and binook namin to kay Ses Travel Vlogs and sinerge lang namin sa YouTube, pero eto, lagay ko sa description yung link. Marami mga drop-off points, meron sa MOA, meron din sa Dao. Di pa rin pala kami kompleto, so you'll probably see sino pa yung mga kasama namin today.
Hello guys! Welcome to Big Travel and Tours. Good morning.
Good morning. Natin ang
Good morning.
morning.
Welcome.
Stop over in Lakeshore, y'all. Oh my God, manager! Oh, it's been a year.
Yes, it's been a year.
Welcome back.
It's been so long.
What happened?
My practice.
Your practice. Let's go back to the road. Guys, we have just arrived to the drop-off point. Magbe-breakfast muna kami. Breakfast. So dito yon guys, si Ses. Ay, thank you po. Coffee tayo guys, coffee. Y'all want coffee? Anong gusto nyo? Uy, pagtimpla mo ako, pangkuha mo na ako.
Sige, ang bala.
Thank you, Vic.
Masarap timpla
You're so good today.
Nakabidyo pa ba?
Oo.
Patayin mo na.
Ha?
Patayin mo na.
Ba't ito papatay?
4 lang nila gagamitin.
Daming tao ng Sunday guys, kaya if pupunta kayo, I'm not quite sure. Probably weekdays, much better. And we're going to the tourism building. Yun guys, bababa kayo kasi may checkpoint din. Don't forget your IDs.
Pangit pala yun. Ang pangit pala yun.
Bro, orange to neon. Our tour guide doesn't have an ID, so be prepared guys. Don't be like him.
Tour guide? Ewan mo akong tour guide. Dami mga matatanda.
So, our tour guide, not him, but says, if you're going here, it's just like a straight drive and you'll be seeing the tourism building. And we're just gonna be parking our cars there. Oh my God, ang daming nga, bro. Bro, weekends, sobrang daming tao, guys. Parang ano lang, may ayuda lang, ha. Okay, thank you po. Wow.
Mga vlogger po.
Mga vlogger po kami.
Dahil sa vlog po namin ngayon.
Ano pong number nyo pong ano?
Okay po sir, 910-259-3702 po. Search lang po nila yung mode Pinatubo sa Vlog Travel and Tour. Doon po nila sisend ko po lahat ng details na page.
Thank you po.
I-orient ko po naman po kayo.
Mike, damit. Mike.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Basically, si Ses na lahat yung nag-aasikaso ng mga gate passes. So kami, naghihintay na lang kami. And then kapag may mga drone shot na available, meron din kayong makukuhang bracelet. Rine-red tag kami. Tama naman, di ba? Rine-red tag kami. Tama, di ba, bitch?
Tama.
Ay.
Magaling po yan mag-assist. Any concern po ninyo sa kanya lahat.
Okay po. Ano pong
Siya po si Kuya Cute.
Kuya Cute? Okay po. Sana all cute. Okay lang pong video po, no? Okay lang po. Thank you.
Kasi na yung mga sumisigit sa 10 years of friendship.
Bye!
Nakasakay namin 4x4.
Mamaya tayo
Nag-additional pala ng 100 dahil mataas ang diesel. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin, ano na government? Bababa ang diesel, guys. Galaw-galaw naman. Please. Gumalaw sila, no?
Galaw-galaw parang...
Yung kaya government.
Gumalaw naman kayo.
Hey!
Guys, kailangan nyo mag-hat and all. Yung buhok ko, ang gaspang talaga, ang lagkit na, parang malaga.
Wow!
Naisip ko lang din kasi guys, I'm from Pampanga and I haven't been to Mount Pinatubo and it's just like few hours away from us, and I've been going a lot of different places, different countries, but we have this. Now I'm going. So yun guys, Toblerone Hills kasi daw yung shape niya is like a Toblerone, yung chocolates from Switzerland. This is the first stop, you know. See that? How nature has been built is amazing. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga pictures niya guys. Kuya, pwede ka nilang rine-request sa tour? Sabi nila kuya cute,
Hindi nyo siya. Pwede naman po akong i-request sa organizer.
Kaso kapag na-request ka na, wala ka na dun.
Yun lang, sir.
Para bang ang nakikita ko ngayon, and we can build this dream together. Hey. Manager Eman, dapat pakita mo yung friendship mo with Peng mamaya.
Paano ba ipapakita yung friendship?
Paano, ilang years na kasi yun? Nasa
13.5.
13.5! Ay, God.
Ang hirap ng buhay ni Pete. Ayaw ko pala maging vlog. Ay, sakit sa lahat.
Don't you know? There's also traffic here in the mountains. What happened? What happened? Tignan ko nga.
Aray! Yung tuhod ko po yun. Trentahin po. Paano sila, kuya?
Yung makahon, naglagay mo na ng full time.
Ah, iwanan na natin si Peng. Ay, Vic.
Pag may nalaglag sa atin dito.
Ayusin mo, Vic.
May istorya talaga.
We just arrived. Nandito kami sa sa start ng trail and we're waiting for Eman and the crew. So it's 8:23 na ini-start namin yung trek. Did you know, guys, and did you know, Vic, that the Pinatubo crater has been created because of the eruption in 1991?
1991, December 3, 10 a.m.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
10 a.m. 41 seconds.
You were there?
Yes. Been there. Nakatakas lang ako.
Mga natives dito or yung mga indigenous people na nakatira ever since they were hunters and gatherers. Mga Aita.
Nakakalimutan yung may kaibigan kayo sa likod.
Hindi, okay lang. Pinapakita nyo kasi yung 13.5 friendship nyo na years.
13.5.
Naalam mo yan, 13.5 na kami. Kaya wag mo ko niyayabangan sa 3 years.
Oh! Ano?
Whatever.
Basta kami ni Vic 13 years of friendship.
Di matitibag.
Ito na, guys.
Yan na.
Yung mga nagsasandals and nagsasocks dyan, guys. Princess! Princess! Uy, nagagano.
Gumagalaw pa.
Princess!
She was a fairy.
Pag nasa trail din kayo, kaya niyong bigyan yung mga Aitas. It's not something to brag about, but of course, you're giving them that as a sign of appreciation that we're going through these lands that they've been protecting for years. They also have like some stations here, tas may mga foods, ganun. Ayan. Ganyan. Hindi ko siya ginakaya, guys. May Jisoo life. May Jisoo life. Hello. Hati kayo. Oh. Hati kayo, ha? Ang sarap na pinahimigin nito. Okay. Hello naman kami.
Sarap yata yan sa crater.
Masarap sa crater.
Chocolate.
So, hati kayo, ha? Hati kayo, ha? Hati. Okay?
Pag di kami natiran dyan.
Oy! Oy!
Kuya, saan yung falls dito?
Doon sa kabila pa po, kaso bawal sir.
Bawal?
Okay.
Suspindi pa ako ng 1 taon.
1 taon, suspende.
Ito pala yung mga galing Zambales. Dito yung ano nila, way nila.
True. Woo! Hey, princess! Boy, sino ba nakaisip nito? Rest day, di ba? At mag-weekends, tas pinagod sa sarili ng weekends.
Princess!
Ay, thanks Kuya Cute for making me feel like a princess. First ano ko pala to, guys. First hike. Most of the things I'm doing in this channel is first time. And we got this, bruh. We got this. Hotdog, sir! Hotdog!
Ano hotdog mo, kuya?
Ano po? 50. Pero 70 na lang sa'yo.
Nilihit ng hotdog mo.
Ay!
Nawa na kayo.
Bye-bye, ate. Thank you po. Mr. Up.
Ano sir, order na kayo kung gusto nyo.
Bango. Wow! Yun ang sinabing ano. May Mount Inasal pala. Bundok condition yung mga inasal dito. Natatawa na naman ako, guys. May Mount Inasal. Ito may-ari na talaga. Mike Inasal. Giliyab, kuya. Ako talaga favorite ni Kuya Cute. No?
Kapag talaga mamaya, hindi pantay-pantay sharing na.
Guys, so, no? Ang bagal ng ano, dito ko pa.
Oh, mauna ka, dito kami.
Hi guys! Itong mga ano yan, may mga structures na yan. Ang gumawa talaga ng mga yan is mga Koreans. Sila ang una nakadiscover nito. And dahil sa mga calamities or like mga parang malakas na bagyo, ganyan, nasira na lang, hindi na nila maintain. Tsaka medyo matatanda kasi yung mga ano nun. Nakakapasok pa daw dito yung mga, wait lang, 4x4.
Totoo ba yan?
Ha?
Totoo yan?
Oh.
Paano mo nalaman?
Because you know, I've been searching.
Ka ni Kuya.
Hindi, I've been searching.
Picture pa tayo dito?
I don't know.
Your trek starts here.
Ang haba ng pila? Let's go. 20 minutes to the crater, bro.
Peng, huwag kang gugulong kasi lahat tayo gugulong lahat dito.
Baka paulang.
Kaya nga eh.
Huwag daw po kayong gugulong dito.
So, VAR manager, okay ka naman?
So far, na-exert kong effort 10%.
10%? Damn. So, after nito, pwede tayong dumiretso sa Mount Pulag na, no?
Pwede, tas sa Mount Tarayat.
Oh. Welcome, guys, to the Amazon. The Amazon, guys. Don't just enjoy. Savor the moment. Ooh! Sanay si Kuya. Tingnan mo, naka-beach walk na siya. May halong difficulty na yan, guys. Ha? May na-injury? What happened? May na-injury, guys. Be safe. Y'all. Kaya kayo, guys. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan lang, dahan lang. Guys, tignan nyo yan. Nakikita nyo yung ginagawa niya, guys. Yun, Sana all, di ba? Hindi pinawisan. Awit. Oh my God. I can see it. Grabe. Totoo ba to, guys? We made it. Got to believe in magic. Vic, tuloy mo, Vic, tuloy mo.
Tell me how people in the world.
By the way, guys, we've been here for 5 minutes. Tapos dumating kami 9:54. So mga 9:50, nakarating na kami sa crater. Feeling namin may mas mabilis pa. Medyo mabagal lang kasi yung isa dyan.
Si Abby.
Ano namang sinasabi mo?
Mabagal ka daw, sabi niya.
Ay, wala ko sinasabi. Sinabi niyo yan.
Gusto ko nag-away. Gusto ko nag-away.
So ayun guys, magtatagal talaga kayo kasi sobrang haba ng pila and everyone is just lining up for that pictures. It's already 11:18. Oh, let's go. Look at this, guys. Parang feeling ko when you go down of Pinatubo, you'll be bedridden for 2 to 3 days. Malapit na rin po kasi mag-30 eh, kaya malapit na po. Malapit na makarelate. So yeah guys, here is the Pinatubo crater in a close-up view. That's what's the color is. Kapag tinitignan ko, medyo parang dark green pero may pagka-blue kapag lumalayo siya. I appreciate this view. Just wanna say guys that I was here. I'm leaving my mark here. First hike. Yeah, definitely you should go. Pwede kayong magbasa din dito, guys. Tapos yung best spot ng picture doon. What can you say?
Sulit yung pagod, tapos di maalat yung tubig.
Ay, tinikman mo, boy?
Tinikman ko. Mukhang safe naman eh.
Manager, What can you say? That we've reached our destination.
It's bucket list I'll check later.
Oh. Siyempre ang hindi napagod guys, hindi napagod sa hike, hindi never nahaggard, naka-Jisoo life, one and only.
Very fresh, you know? I woke up like this.
Oh.
Such a beautiful disaster.
Oh. Sinearch mo yon, no?
Ninanamnam ko pa kasi yung remembrance nung one of the biggest history ng Pampanga. Ng Zambales. Look. Tama sinabi niya, it's a beautiful disaster.
Sinulat, tara
Tara na, ang daming pinagluloko na lang tayo guys. We're leaving the crater guys, and you should really go down here. It's really worth it. And goodbye crater. The really hard part is going up. Vic, ang ganda ng view ko, Vic.
Hindi naman hindi pa na worth it babae niyo.
Hindi na lang. Woo! Let's go!
Breather lang. Lugi may tungkod eh.
Lugi sa mga may tungkod. Hoy!
Pulagatin na yata ako.
Meron lahat silang tungkod. Tignan.
Tayo lang yung humihinga. Sila, tignan mo.
Lugi walang tungkod.
Ako na muna, lalaban na ako. Oh shit. We made it. We made it back to the top. So yan guys, itong dalawa, yan yung mga free na bathroom na pwede nyong gamitin. Kasi sa iba may bayad. They have water and there's a rubbish bin inside. So yan guys, swertihan din. Check the weather. Kasi kapag malakas ang ulan, canceled daw yung hike. Papabalikan. Saan?
Kulay siya.
There's a rat. Oo nga.
Masarap yan
Uy!
Anong kinakalkal niya sa ilalim?
Ay daga dyan, wait lang. Paalisin mo muna.
Takot ka rin ba?
Si Emma, paunahin mo si Emma. Paalisin mo lang, pit. Ate, yung dagang kinakain mo.
Habang nag-hike ako, parang na-detach ka sa world. Parang wala kang alam talaga na nangyari. Tapos babalik ka, damn, what happened? Okay, ngayon pababa na kami, medyo naiisip ko na yung ano nangyari sa Strait of Hormuz. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other. Uy, nahilo ako.
Di ba, 5 po kayo, sir? Time is 2.
Thank you, Mount Pinatubo, for giving me that experience. Yeah, I've been detached to the real world, and that's actually one of the goals of these hikes. I think a lot of us had different problems, and I've been dealing with a lot of stuffs or issues in life. We don't make those known to the public, and all I can say is that you'll learn not alone. Do what you love. Don't let the loneliness and problems consume you. It's really hard because I think for me the past weeks has been really tough. They've been piling up, and yeah, I'm just really glad that I have really good social support system. I hope you guys do too. And always remember that life should be celebrated all the time. No problem. Hello. Candy yan. Sarap yan. Yung mga damit dito pinapatuyo. Sa mga bato-bato lang, no? Okay. So guys, ganyan kasimple ang buhay ng ating mga aitas. Nabibilib ako sa mga taong nagtatrek. I applaud you guys how you do this. Yung iba 4 hours, you take 6 hours. How? How the hell do you do that? Thank you. Hati-hati.
Hati-hati dito. Thank you.
Okay. Time check. 101. We made it! We made it!
Yay!
Yay!
Congrats!
Congrats to ourselves and you guys who are watching right now. You conquered as well online. Made it! Bye guys! Bye! Pero mag-shower lang muna kami saglit. Well, nakaligo na ako. Babalik kami guys, sis. Parang may lunch. Let's see, let's look, and let's listen to what's going to happen. Oh! Bro, I'm a poet. Hindi tayo mamaya after nito. Ayun yung lunch nila guys. Pinabili kami. Sinampalukan din adobo. Adobo! And then nakakuha kami ng certificates.
Printed on a pot of paper.
And we also have our bag tags. May mga naka-stress sa travel guys. Matuto kayo sa kanila.
Asa na?
Dapat talaga nag-settle tayo.
Tapos kaya magbayad po na kayo kay Victor 3.
Ay!
We're going home guys. Thank you Manager Eman.
Thank you, manager.
Abby, bye.
Ta-da-da-da.
Thank you so much. Happy graduation day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much pala first of all kay Ses for accommodating us and you know
Super accommodative.
Yep, sobra. Di namin in-expect yung travel na sobrang comfortable. Laging may updates. Minimake sure na okay kami. So thank you so much Ses for that. Ito yung patunay na sobrang ganda ng touring niya. Ito na yung tanong ng lahat. I know a lot of you have been asking me to join you on these hikes, treks, and wala pa akong inuuhanan sa inyo. Pero I'm not even quite sure if there's a slight chance na baka sumama ako, pero maliit na maliit yun. I feel like I'm a beach guy talaga. I just wanna put it out there. Let's see. Para baka magpulag or yung yung isang gusto natin, Vic? Auausen Falls. Don't forget yung aking saying, if you're not trying to get lost in your life, you're kinda doing it wrong. Let's get lost to the next one. Bye! Bye! Alam mo, orderin na natin lahat. Boy, orderin na natin lahat.
Sure naman, gagandaran yan.
Isa-separate yung bill nyo.
Thank you, Peg. Thank you, Peg. Magpa-thank you ka, Big.
Thank you.
Oo, yan. Usap-usap lang. Wala pa ito dito lang na magkastuhan, boy. Oh, wow.
Paano ka?
Parang ako.
Mas madali.
Ito yung usap mo dito. Kinakausap pa na ito. Seconds na yun.
Wait lang.